Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Drake and I'm one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can now set up your staff pay rates so that staff will still get paid a per client or per session bonus, even if some clients late cancel or no-show. To get started, go to your app drawer and then into setup, locate staff, and finally you'll want to go staff members. You'll want to select the staff that you want to set up or modify the pay rates for and go to the pay rates page. Like I mentioned earlier, this improvement applies to both session rates and client rates. For today, let's set up a new client rate. Once I've set my rate per client that this instructor is going to get paid, which for me is going to be $1, I want to make sure that this enable bonus checkbox is filled in. I can set this bonus to be whatever I want. I will say maybe if there's 5 clients in the class, don't pay a bonus, but anything over that will pay this instructor an additional $5 per client. I also want to select that I am going to pay this instructor for no-shows. So you can select this to pay the staff member for clients who booked the session but did not attend. And I also want to pay the staff member for late cancels. So for late cancels, you'll want to select that checkbox to pay for staff members for clients who cancel the session late. Very important if you are going to do this for your staff, under Enable Bonus, once you check in your pay for no-shows and pay for late cancels, you'll also want to make sure the include no-shows in bonus calculations and include late cancels in bonus calculations checkboxes are also filled in. Make sure you save your work, and now I'm going to show you what the payroll details report is going to look like for this staff member. I have the attendance list pulled up for a class that has 7 participants. It does say 5 out of 15 here in the top right corner, but as you can see, we have 5 participants who actually did show up for this class. We have 1 that was a no-show, and we also have 1 that was a late cancel. So 5 attended, but there were 2 others that had signed up that did not come to this class. Because we set up our pay rate to give this instructor that $5 bonus for anything over 5 clients in the class, the instructor is still going to be paid the bonus for the 2 clients who did not come to class today. So we should see a bonus of $10 on our payroll details report. Let's take a look by going to our app drawer and then into reports, down to staff, and then to payroll details. So here on the payroll details report, we can see the information relating to the class that we just looked at. We had 7 booked in the class with 5 attended, 1 no-show, and 1 late cancel. We used the pay rate that we set up for this instructor earlier, so the pay for this class is showing as $17. The reason for that is this instructor got paid $1 for every single person in this class, so $7 was that initial pay rate. But she also got paid the bonus for that late cancel client who would have been client number 6 in the class, and that additional $5 bonus as well for client number 7 who was the late cancel. So then you'll see a total of $17 as the pay for this class, even though only 5 clients did show up today. That's it for bonuses for late cancels and no-shows for your staff. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.